The subject of today's video is affiliate marketing for beginners. What it is and how to succeed at it. Hello, my name is Don Novak and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. I'm a student of John Crestani, Devin Brown, and Anthony Morrison, and I want to pass on to you what works for me and what does not. Imagine that all you needed to make money online was a website. You don't have to create your own products or offer a service. Sound good? Then welcome to affiliate marketing. According to the Wall Street Journal, business spending on affiliate marketing will hit $8.2 billion in the U.S. by 2022. That's billion with a B. Start today and you'll be in a prime position to take advantage of that. Now, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote another company's product or service in return for a commission on the sales you generate for them. Commissions are typically a percentage of the sale price, but occasionally can be a fixed amount. Now, why do affiliate marketing? Here are 2 reasons why you should consider doing affiliate marketing. Number 1, low costs and low risk. Starting a business means incurring upfront costs for products, employees, equipment, rent, and so on. Naturally, this makes it risky and expensive. With affiliate marketing, all you need is a website or like ClickFunnels, and even if it doesn't work out, all you've wasted is some time and a little bit of money. It's easy to scale up with affiliate marketing. A typical salesperson only sells products from one company. However, as an affiliate marketer, you can promote products from many different companies and earn commissions from all of them. You can also stop promoting a product when sales start to follow up and find another one to take its place. Now, how does affiliate marketing work? The merchant gives each affiliate a unique link so they can track who is responsible for that sale. These links are easily found on ClickBank Marketplace, which is a great place to start your product research. When someone clicks on that link, a tiny file called a cookie gets stored on your merchant's vendor's device. An affiliate cookie does 2 things. It helps the merchant attribute the sale back to you, back to the right person, which is you. It usually holds an expiration date, so you get paid even if the buyer delays their purchase by a couple of weeks or a couple of months. How much money can I make as an affiliate marketer? The simple answer is that there is no limit on the upside or the downside. It depends on your niche and the amount of work you put in. The most successful affiliate marketers make 6 or 7 figures a month, but they're also working 50 and 60 hours a week. However, some of the most successful marketers can outsource the organization and the successful implementation of all their vendors' ads. However, this does not happen overnight. It could take you 2 to 3 years of email list building and testing your ads to see what works and what does not. Really successful affiliate marketers have anywhere from 30,000 to 50,000 active email subscribers that they can send offers to on a regular basis. The linchpin to seeing some profits seems to start when you reach 5,000 engaged email subscribers. Some beginners can find a unique product or service to sell right out of the gate and make some serious money. But this is rare, and over time, it will burn out. Again, your safety net is in your email list that you can keep sending new offers to. How to get started with affiliate marketing? Follow these 7 simple steps. 1. Decide on a platform. 2. Choose your niche. 3. Find affiliate programs to join. 4. Create great content. 5. Drive traffic to your affiliate site. 6. Get clicks on your affiliate links. And 7. Convert those clicks to sales. Step 1. Decide on a platform. Now, theoretically, you can do affiliate marketing on any platform, even Instagram works. However, it's much easier to build an audience and increase your affiliate sales via one of two channels, a blog or the YouTube channel. Starting a blog today is relatively easy and cheap. There are plenty of tutorials online that teach you how to get started. The best part, it'll likely only cost you a few dollars a month. If you have money to spend on ads, you have Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, Facebook marketing, and solo ad providers like Udemy, to name a few. But before you spend one dime on these venues, get some coaching from a successful affiliate marketer like Anthony Morrison. Click on his link below this video. Step 2, choose your niche. Smaller is better. One very successful affiliate marketer went from selling binoculars to selling only opera glasses. A tiny market, but he made a small fortune. Again, to stand the best chance of success, niche down. Choose a topic that focuses on a specific category. For example, the topic of food is an enormous category. Rather than tackling that, try something more specific like grilling food. Keep your topics tight. Keeping your topics tight can help you build a more focused audience and potentially help you rank higher in search engines. Another example, instead of talking about dance or hip hop, narrow it down to just breakdancing. Step 3, find affiliate programs to join. Stick with affiliate programs that have a recurring commission on the back end, not just one commission at the time of the sale. These kind of vendors usually have monthly subscription fees to their customers, so you will get a percentage of those monthly fees as long as the customers keep paying those monthly fees. So recurring commissions with an affiliate venue is the way to go. ClickBank Marketplace is the easiest place to start looking. It breaks down vendors into categories, rates their sales performance over time, and gives you all the details you need to get started. Another great website to find trending products is cbgraphs.com. That's catboygraphs with a G.com. The key here is to find products or services that pique your interest and your passion. Step 4, create great content. Test, and keep testing your headlines, your pictures, and your ad copy. Find articles on the internet about writing headlines and copywriting. Get a coach like Anthony Morrison. His link is just below this video. Step 5, drive traffic to your affiliate site. A, paid traffic. This is where you pay for traffic to your site. You can do this using pay-per-click ads like Google Ads. The advantage of paid traffic is that the moment you start paying, you get traffic. Start small, like $10 a day, and keep testing your headlines and your ad copy to see what works best. B, search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the practice of optimizing pages to rank high in search engines like Google. Spiders will go through your landing page, check out your keywords, and then as long as you can rank high in the search engines for your target keywords, you'll get consistent and passive traffic. Use Google Ads Keyword Planner, and also don't forget to add negative keywords to your ads, because you want to add negative keywords so you don't have customers who are not going to buy your product clicking on your ad. C, build an email list and keep sending them autoresponder email follow-ups. I use GetResponse and Aweber. However, GetResponse is very touchy about spam complaints and can cancel your account in a New York minute, even when you have done nothing wrong. Step 6. Get clicks on your affiliate links. Here again, you need some good coaching like Anthony Morrison. You can click on the link below for Anthony Morrison's free class. Creating and placing your links is a science in itself, as well as the context of your ad. Step 7. Convert clicks to sales. In affiliate marketing, 2 conversions need to take place for you to make money. The first conversion is the click to the product page, your landing page. You're 100% in control of this action. Use the tactics above to improve your chances of getting that click. The second conversion is the visitor purchasing the product. In the case of affiliate marketing, the merchant, the vendor that you've chosen to sell the product of, that merchant controls the checkout, and their conversion rates are out of your control. The trick is to play the game to your advantage and look for merchants with programs that convert well. This is why you need to test and retest if the product or service is just not converting to sales. If it's not converting, drop it and look for something else. No affiliate marketing wheels are reinvented here. Instead, these are the fundamentals, and applying them will get you off on the right foot. Just don't expect life-changing income or the freedom to quit your 9-to-5 job overnight. Affiliate marketing takes time. Focus first on making your first affiliate sale. Then as your site grows, set new goals and continue experimenting. This is how to build up a site that eventually generates a decent income. Get the best coaching and drastically reduce your learning curve and dramatically increase your chances for success. I'm telling you right now, the people who try affiliate marketing and fail, I would say 100% of those people never paid a dime for coaching. If you go down that path, you will fail. If you want to succeed at affiliate marketing, there is a science to it, and it's very detailed, and you must get coaching. And the best coaching I found is Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate marketing video training. It's a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market, especially if you are a beginner. To get this world-class online training for Anthony Morrison, click on the link below this video that says free class video class. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button. This is Don Novak, to your continued internet success.